Hey friends, if you wish to fix system sounds not playing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you have to do. First of all, you need to search for system sounds and then go to change system sounds and then make sure that it is selected at Windows default and not no sounds. If it's selected no sounds, there will be no sound. Make sure that it's selected at Windows default, and you can also check the specific sounds here. If it shows, it means that the system sounds are on. Then click on apply and OK. So this is sorted out with the system sounds, but what if there is no sound in the system itself? So try checking the volume here. Is it working? Try playing a video on your computer or open YouTube. Okay, well, I'll just show you. Try to open YouTube. Okay, and then try playing some video to check whether there is volume or not. Okay, so we'll just play a video from our own channel. So this means that it is working well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.